Hi, this is David Heller. I'm here at IMTS 2012, and I'm with Jean-Nicolas and Jean is the Technical Marketing Director at ICAM. Hi, Jean.
Good morning, David. How are you doing?
Great, I'm doing great, and I see you've got quite a bit of activity going on at your booth.
Yep.
And I wanted to find out what you're showing over there and why people are so excited.
No problem. Maybe I'll start by ICAM Technologies, who we are, what do we do?
Yes.
ICAM Technologies, we're a company in this business for about 4 years, and we're number one in post-processing and machine simulation environment.
Okay.
So basically, we do for a long time post-processing behind multicam systems. Most of the time today, people using CAD/CAM systems in manufacturing, they oblige you to use one post for one system. And then it means your investment is tied to a CAM system. The concept of ICAM Technologies is having a post-processing and simulation solution directly linked to the machine tool investment. So you can use one CAM system today, another one tomorrow. It's still compatible with a machine tool. So this is really a bread and butter of what ICAM does for many years. The real specificities of ICAM is we are the only manufacturing solution on the market today to offer combined machine simulation while post-processing. Meaning someone who is willing to drive his machine tool will be able to post-process and get machine simulation real time. And the machine simulation can interact directly in the post-processing job. Meaning my post-processing is beginning to be happening in 5-axis machining. The machine finds a collision, the post-processor can dynamically fix it.
Oh, just right there, just immediately.
So, who is working with us? ICAM technology is used by most of the aerospace industry worldwide. So our customers are Boeing, Airbus, Bombardier, Embraer, Lockheed Martin, Eurocopters, the ADS, I mean, most of them anyway. Second market for us will be automotive and related markets. So people like Caterpillar, these are large customer from ICAM for many years. We have people like Volvo Equipment in the same business. If we go to automotive industry, it's more people like Toyota, GM, Ford, Ferrari, Lamborghini, and so on. So we're pretty well spread out.
You know, I just noticed that we have a little model here, of actually machined model. Is that something to do with, you'd like to show anybody about that or talk about that?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's a good idea, thank you.
Yeah, I saw it laying there and I figured maybe you want to show it.
Yes, exactly. This part is the latest technology we have coming out from ICAM. The concept is for many years, people are working in a CAM environment and they spend hours in the CAM system defining the tool path and defining on a part the approach and retract movements to the part. And all this job has to be done in a CAM system linked to the machine kinematics, the machine specifics. And people are spending hours doing that and hours to go machine simulation, verify, modify. Since IMTS 2012, this is over. ICAM is coming out with this unique technology named SmartPath, which allows you to work in a CAM system and just work on a part. Don't think about the machine you're going to be using. It means the SmartPath technology will be able for you to create all the linking movements from one positioning to another one based on machine kinematics, based on machine dynamics, based on machine tool controllers. No work for the end user. No way and no need to go back to the CAM system.
And you have modules for different machines that are being used out there?
Correct. We are offering and serving basically, just me put the part back. We are serving all people doing milling, turning, mill turn, YDM. Any CNC machines can be using our technology. On the higher hand, we also deal with the programming tooling devices. I don't know if you're familiar with the concept of UHF, Universal Holding Fixtures. For aerospace, more and more people are using very large parts for composite, and they don't want to buy and invest all the time in tooling. So they use flexible tooling with like actuators holding the part. With the ICAM solution, we have special applications to program them automatically and make dynamic simulation of these machines.
So you work very closely with each customer to make sure that...
Absolutely. ICAM is very close to customers. ICAM is the only company in this area, in this domain of post-processing and simulation to have a pure R&D team a separate technical team, and then we sales and marketing. It's something our customers appreciate a lot. We have offices in Montreal, which is the headquarters in Canada. We have offices in the US, Orlando, and other places coming up. Offices in Europe and in China now.
Well, listen, is there anything else you'd like to add? Maybe some kind of a wrap-up comment about just to encapsulate all of this in a way?
Maybe I will invite people to take a look at the ICAM website and see the latest news we have all the time, and especially this new technology of SmartPath, which I believe will change the way people are doing manufacturing today.
So what is the URL?
Excuse me?
What is the URL of the website?
Oh, sorry. We're going to go to www.icam.com. So very easy.
It's as simple as that.
Exactly.
Hey, Jean Ruby, thank you so much for joining us, and I really enjoyed talking with you.
Thank you very much, David. It was a pleasure.
Have a great show.
Thank you.